Build wealth in your 20s. Smart money habits for financial freedom. Do you ever wonder how billionaires like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos built their empires? What if I told you that you could start building wealth right now, in your 20s? Stick around because today, I'm sharing proven strategies to help you achieve financial freedom early in life. Welcome back to Saving Secrets by Ismail. In this video, we're diving deep into smart money habits that can set you up for long-term success. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just starting out, this video is your roadmap to building wealth. Let's get started. 1. Start budgeting and tracking expenses. Create a monthly budget to manage income and expenses. Use apps like Mint or in-app to track spending. Prioritize needs over wants to save more. 2. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Keep this fund in a high-yield savings account for quick access. 3. Invest early and consistently. Start investing in index funds or ETFs. Take advantage of compound interest by starting now. Consider retirement accounts like 401k or Roth IRA. 4. Create multiple income streams. Start a side hustle or freelance online. Explore passive income options like affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or investing in stocks. 5. Avoid debt and spend wisely. Pay off high-interest debts as soon as possible. Use credit cards responsibly to build credit without overspending. Start today because the best time to build wealth was yesterday, and the second best time is now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss powerful tips on financial freedom. Comment below which money habit you're starting with. Thanks for watching Saving Secrets by Ismail. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, and it begins with a single step. Suggest some topics for next videos. See you in the next video.